Do you struggle to understand fast English conversations? Imagine if you could listen effortlessly, catch every word, and speak confidently in no time. Today, I'm going to share powerful techniques that will transform your English listening skills forever. Stay with me till the end, because these tips will make listening easy and fun. Part 1. The power of chunking. One of the best ways to improve your English listening is through chunking. Instead of trying to understand every single word, focus on small groups of words or phrases called chunks that naturally go together. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They speak in chunks. When you learn to recognize these chunks, your brain processes the meaning faster and more smoothly. For example, instead of hearing "I am going to the market," think of it as "I'm going to the market." Practicing this way helps you keep up with fast speech without getting stuck. Part 2. The echo method. The echo method is a simple but powerful technique. When you listen to a sentence or phrase, immediately repeat it out loud or in your mind, just like an echo. This helps you focus better, improves your pronunciation, and trains your brain to remember natural English patterns. It might feel strange at first, but practicing this regularly will make your listening sharper and your speaking more fluent. Try to repeat short sentences at first and gradually increase the length as you get comfortable. Part 3. Active listening technique. Active listening means you don't just hear words, you understand and react to them. When you listen actively, your mind stays fully engaged with the conversation. Ask yourself questions like, "What did they just say?" or "What's the meaning here?" This keeps your brain alert and helps you grasp the meaning even if the speaker talks fast. Use headphones and avoid distractions to get the most out of active listening. Also, take advantage of pauses in speech to think about what you heard. This technique boosts your comprehension and trains your ears to catch even tricky sentences. If you found these techniques useful, hit the like button and subscribe now for more easy and effective English learning tips. Comment below which method you'll try first and share your progress with me. Remember, improving your English listening is just a step away. Keep practicing, and soon you'll understand native speakers like never before. Don't forget to watch till the end of my next videos to unlock even more secrets. Let's master English together.